that was perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us. He was just the kind of athlete, the kind of star that was perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us. Perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us.
Hey, what's up? This is your girl Nicole Reloaded, and we loaded up with another video. Anyway, I'm over here on Allison Morris' Twitter feed, and this was her response after saying the N-word on live while talking about Kobe Bryant and the helicopter crash where unfortunately his daughter and a total of 9 souls perished. Earlier today, while reporting on the tragic news of Kobe Bryant's passing, I unfortunately stuttered on air, combining the names of the Knicks and the Lakers to say Nakers. Please know, I did not and would never use a racist term. I apologize for the confusion this caused. Nakers stole my bike, as you can see here. So we calling it a stutter. Have you stuttered before on air? Mr. Nuclear said, no worries. I'm sad for Kobe's family, but I'm also sad for his rape victim who now gets to see her rapist celebrated for days on end. Look at this stuff these people are saying on here. What is wrong with these people? Here goes Derek McGinney. I believe her. It did sound like, but come on. No announcer in their right mind would say such a thing on purpose. I think we need to go back to the old idea of giving folks the benefit of the doubt. And frankly, we all need it from time to time. Here goes somebody else. Bianca, like hell you did. One in the world is a naker anyway. There's definitely a I sound in there. Okay. Here's somebody else. Mama, you did not say nakers. 1.2 million views. Here goes someone else. An honest mistake. No apologies needed. And your color is Marla. Always be on black. Yeah, I listened to the clip several times and you said the N-word with a hard G. So no, we don't believe you. That's exactly what I heard. Not to mention she would have been reading it off of a teleprompter. Anyone who chooses to believe this obvious lie is only showing their true colors. Let's see what the replies is for this. Naker, please, my naker. Why anyone would think the N-word was purposely said is beyond me. It makes no sense. Look at this, 7.7 million views that this got. Okay?
Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us, we're going to go as perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us, we're going to go as perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us, we're going to go as perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers. Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us, we're going to go as
Sound like N to me. I done listened to this several times. Okay? After that, you done said the N, and we not cool with that ish. You owe more than an apology. Geez whiz, folks cut the lady some slack. Maybe she was as shocked and stunned as the rest of us at this horrible news. Stop. Think, would anyone on a major network use such an explicit at such a sad time? She made a mistake. Anyone out there never been tongue-tied before? Be kind. Veteran for Trump. If true, maybe now you know how it feels to be labeled a racist when you're not. give at Real Donald Trump a call and ask him how it feels. I do feel sorry for you because while it could have been an honest mistake, the country is now calling for your resignation. Oh, yes, they are. Okay, here goes one. They said they slowed it down.
On the Los Angeles Lakers, Los Angeles Lakers, Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us for perfectly cast on the Los Angeles Lakers, Los Angeles Lakers, Kavita, if I could ask you to stay with us for
There's also a petition, and I'm going to be adding that clip on. But I want you to make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you thumbs up this video. And I'm going to add on some more to this commentary. Let me go find this petition to get this woman fired. Get Allison Morris fired. As you can see, 106. And the number is rising. Okay? It's almost to 107,000 signatures as I'm looking at it. And you know what? Oh, look, I can't have y'all have my name up on here. Okay? So let's just see. Get Allison Moore fired. See why other supporters are signing, why this petition is important to them, and share your reason for signing. This would mean a lot to the starter of the petition. Unacceptable. She was wrong and out of line. The man and his daughter just lost their lives, for crying out loud. It's time for all racial bigots to be silenced. Stamp out race hate. It's the devil's work. Sack her and educate her. She used to say it. It's just flowed from the mouth so easy. She said it exactly what she says off the air. She got caught on the air. Deep inside, she really is a racist, so she definitely would share biased opinions. A person doesn't make a statement like that unless that's how they really feel or think, period. And as you can see, there's a lot of people that have signed it, and the numbers are going up. I don't know. Some people actually think it's a slip. Do you think this is a slip? I mean, come on now, but who would really be that ignorant? Is it because she's used to saying the word off air? It's how it rolled off of her lips. But why would she put like the Lakers and the Niners like to make it Nakers? And it wasn't okay. There was no K. There was no K.